Broken. I'm confused.
Julissa Bonse.
Yeah.
Sam Adams.
Here.
Cassandra Casillas.
Here.
Nathaniel de Guzman.
Here.
Miley Fisher. Carlos Gomez. Billy Gonzalez.
Here.
Brett Hare. Linda Lopez.
Here.
Maya Lopez.
Here.
Angel Lopez.
Here.
Abraham Lucio.
Here.
Jackson Marino. Ethan Montes.
Here.
Emma Montoya.
Here.
Mara Ortega.
Here.
Montse Pedrosa.
Here.
Kevin Quintana.
Here.
Ian Ramirez. Angel Rojas.
Here.
Bryson Santos. Thomas Servin.
Here.
Samantha Velasco. Alonso Vitella.
Here.
Dennis White.
Here.
Elise Williams.
Here.
So, sorry guys, we're sorry, I don't know if that was distracting or not, but we're actually on a submarine right now. We're on a submarine. So that's where all those noises were. We're just going through some drills. That's why it took me so long to get on. Okay, Carlos is here. They're getting paid a little bit more, right? Miley's here, Samantha's here, Jackson and Brett. Are you guys okay? You feeling like claustrophobic in the submarine, Brett? Or are you okay? Brett's fine, okay. Samantha, are you claustrophobic? See, we're all doing good. I'm a little claustrophobic though. I think Carlos is claustrophobic too. Are you claustrophobic, Carlos? Yeah. See, it's crazy because, you know, if it drains, we're dead. Miss Howells is on the submarine too. We're just here on the submarine doing math. And the submarine is yellow. Oh my gosh, there's a big fish behind us. Okay, turn on the torpedoes. Jackson, get the torpedoes loaded. Jackson's loading the torpedoes.
What should I fire?
Okay, I don't know. I feel kind of bad killing animals, but I really don't care. It's just a freaking fish. It's either him or us.
Shark, I think.
You know what I mean? Oh my gosh. Kill it, Jackson. Kill it.
Got it.
We just killed the fish.
That's one good looking shark.
It is.
We have to draw blood now.
It's dead now. We killed it. Oh my gosh. Okay, but all these distractions. Abraham, I'm sorry, is the submarine distracting you? Can you still pay attention?
Potato looks a little weird.
Yeah, it's fine.
You're fine. Okay, I just want to make sure because we're on the submarine.
Does it?
Yeah.
Look at Miss Howells is actually outside in her scuba suit. She's about to she's killing the shark. I kind of like sharks. I like animals, but
Yeah, that was funny.
Miss Howells just did a crazy operation on the shark. I think that was cruel punishment. I don't think you should be doing stuff like that. Miss Howells, you're under the water. Right? Oh my gosh.
Breathing.
They need you still breathe air. We're going to throw the torpedo in the gills. That's what Samantha said. Hit the gills. Billy, do you feel bad for the shark? Oh no, wait a minute. Wait. Ah! I'm dying. Listen, it is real. This is real. There's blood in the water. There's blood in the water, Mara. Mara, there is blood in the water. That's blood. Okay, Mara, are you worried about me? Mara, you worried about me? You're speechless. You can't say anything because... Don't fear me. I know I can handle myself. Don't have fear. No. Angel Lopez, are you worried about me? We're in the submarine.
Sort of.
Okay, don't worry because I have Miley here. She knows how to use a spear gun. She's trained in it. We train how to use weapons here at Oxnard High School. Wait, should I say that? I think I recorded that. I'm just joking. We don't know we don't show how to use weapons at Oxnard High School. All right. All right, should we get to work? We should get to work. Kevin, are you okay, Kevin? We're in the submarine. Look, I'm outside in the water, Kevin. Kevin! Kevin, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm trying to tread water, but I can, it's weird. I'm in the water, but I can talk. Have you ever heard anyone? I'm like Aquaman. You know? Okay, I'm going to kill the shark. I'm going to cut his head off. Woo! There, just the shark's head. Oh, shoot, I just cut my head off. No! That's probably the dumbest thing that everyone there, look at, they probably just think this is the dumbest thing I've ever seen. Hmm? I know, well, you could see, well, I know you guys have been there before, and I do stuff like that. Is it kind of like, you know what I mean? I think there's just so much fear. Okay, all right, I better get, okay. Listen, let's talk about what's going on in school today, okay? Let's talk about it. This week, here's what's going on, okay? We are going to be talking about no swear words, Jackson. Jackson, no. What are you looking at on your computer?
Oh, I'm showing you how to expand the thing.
Actually, what am I saying? Then we're not doing anything anyway in class. Okay, it's not like. Okay, get back in class. We're in class. Okay. No, don't look. Okay, look. Here's what we're gonna do. This week, you guys, it's important that we understand what's going on this week. Today, we're going to talk about special right triangles. Come on, load it up. Talking about special right triangles, we're going to do delta math. So everyone go to deltamath.com for now. But before you do, make sure you look at my schedule here, because this is also important too. So we're going to do special right triangles, which is the 30, 60, 90 triangle and the 45, 45, 90 triangle. We're going to learn how those ratios work with those triangles and how to solve for all the sides. We're also going to talk about tomorrow building a unit circle, which we need to understand how a 30, 60, 90 triangle works and a 45, 45, 90 triangle works. Now, this is very important. For building the unit circle, well, after the unit circle, we're going to graph sine and cosine, okay? We need both of these days in order to do Wednesday's activity. If you miss Monday or Tuesday, then you're not going to be able to do Wednesday's activity, okay?
I think it's not loading.
Well, don't worry, because you're here. Now, what you guys also must understand is when you build the unit circle, you can go onto Canvas and you can print the unit circle up. You don't need to print it, but it'll make your life a heck of a lot easier for the rest of this chapter. For the rest of the week, if you can print this unit circle up, it'll make your life a heck of a lot easier. Now, you don't need to print it. You can draw it. You can draw the unit circle. You guys can draw it. You want to draw the unit circle? You can do that. But let's see. Here's where the unit circle is. See, it says the unit circle. Okay? The unit circle. You click on that. The unit circle. Oh, no, that's not. I'm sorry, not that one. Sorry, not that one. Going back. It is build a unit circle. Build a unit. Everyone go to build a unit circle. And you'll see this unit circle that we can build, right? I'm going to download it. And this is what you're going to fill this whole thing in on tomorrow. Now, you can draw this and put all these lines here. You can do that. But I would suggest to print it. If you don't have a printer, you can draw it. If you're going to be in class tomorrow, if you're going to be in the classroom, I don't think anyone really comes on Tuesdays. I will have it here printed for you. I will give it to you. But I can't give it to you online, right? I can't do that. I will print it for you. If you guys remind me, since you're here, I will print one for you. If you guys want. If you remind me, okay? All right. Since you guys are here. All right. Are there any questions on that? Okay. No questions? Okay. Let's go on to deltamath.com. Everyone go to deltamath.com. deltamath.com. Right there. It's going to look like that. Okay, and then you're going to log in. Here, look, I'll put it in the chat for you. The chat. Oh, Brett, took you so long, man.
Well, I'm thinking I was going to Google. Right? I think I was going to be like needed.
Brett, I can't understand you. Is it because you're in the submarine? Does it sound like
No,
right?
I had my retainer on my.
Okay, I'm just joking, man. I know you're having trouble getting on. You're cool. Everyone go to deltamath.com. Brett, stop it. Okay, deltamath.com. And you guys log in. You log in with Google. Log in with Google. Okay, I'm just going to regularly log in. Log in with your Google account. And let me give you my code. I'm going to give you my code. The code to get into my class. Here's my code.
It doesn't work.
What are you talking about, homie?
No existing account in the system with that email address.
Well, then make one up. Then make one up, Jackson Alicious. Okay, so
Create account?
create an account. And then here is my code to get in the class. Here's my code. There's my Delta Math assignment. Okay, 785445.
What's your access code?
I just sent it in the chat. Do you need me to send it again?
No, I got it.
Samantha, did you get in the Delta Math? You were able to get in? All right. Miley?
Yeah.
All right. Carlos? All right.
Wait, what do we click after we put it in?
What do you cook?
Oh, what do we click?
Oh, it'll say special right triangles. There'll be a special right triangle assignment.
Oh, look, I put in the code. And it doesn't.
All right. So here's what the Delta Math should look like. How are we doing on the Delta Math? Let's see. Abraham, are you in the Delta Math?
I'm still trying to figure it out.
Okay, well, how far have you gotten? Do you need help?
I just created it. I'm trying to log in now.
Okay, good. Okay, cool. So it sounds like you're on the way. Dennis, how about you?
I got in.
Okay, as you guys are logging in, I'm just letting you know, the next couple of days, if you are getting a D or an F in my class, I am texting your parents and letting you know that you have a D or an F in my class. Okay, if you have a D or an F, I'm texting your parents. Okay, on their phone, so you can't intercept it. And just be ready. Now, if you want to bring that grade up, talk to me after class and I will help you out. But if you're getting a D or an F, just know I'm going to text your parents. All right? And you can't tell them I pretended I'm being eaten by a shark during class. You can't say, oh, the reason I'm doing so bad is all my teacher does is pretend he's being eaten by a shark in class. Because I do teach stuff. You learn anything in this class, Carlos? Are you just saying that? Angel Rojas, do you learn anything in this class?
Yeah.
All right, very good. Sam Adams. Sam Adams. Sam, are you there? I'm going to mark you absent. I think Sam's there. Sam Adams. Did you say he was stepping out? Sam, I'm marking you absent. I think it's your birthday today, too. It's Sam's 16 today. Yay! Happy birthday, Sam. I'm marking you absent. If someone sees Sam, let me know because I marked him absent. I'll tell him. Okay, so let's talk about special right triangles. So we have a triangle right here, right? Let's call this a 30-60. Now, we've talked about this before, so if you need it for your notes, you can write it down. If you understand it already, or if you already have it on your notes, you don't need to write it down. Okay?
Title, special right triangles.
The topic is special right triangles. Topic is, we can call it the 30, 60, 90 triangle and the 45, 45, 90 triangles. Thank you for bringing that up, Jeff. We're talking about the 30, 60, 90 and the 45, 45, 90 triangle. Now, they're all ratios. These triangles just give us ratios of how to figure out each side. Now, if this side, the 30 side, let's call that X. And the 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now, the side that's opposite of the 60 will be this side times the square root of 3. That's that side. That's what that length of that triangle is going to be this side times square root of 3. It's a ratio. Multiply this by square root of 3, you get this side. And if I multiply my 30 by 2, I get the length of that side. Okay? That's my 30, 60. Now, it doesn't matter. Like, the triangle could be written any way. It can be written like this. It can be written like this. Draw it. Draw it. And draw it. And I got it like that. And let's say I have, this is the 30, 60, 90. Now here, my 30 is here, so my X is going to be there. And to get the length this side, I multiply the X times the square root of 3. And to get this hypotenuse, I multiply that by 2 times X. I just wrote, it's the same thing, I just rotated it around. Okay? So, here we go. I'm going to erase this in just a second. But I just want to see that it doesn't matter where, it depends on where the X is opposite the 30. The X square root of X times square root of 3 is opposite of 60. And the 2X is opposite of the 90. So, here's the $1 million question. Actually, let's keep this here. X, 2X, X square root 3. If this side is 8, what's the length of this side going to be, okay? So go ahead and figure it out, and then I'm going to call on one of you. Sam Adams, are you there?
Yeah.
Hey, I marked you absent.
Oh, sorry about that. I was in the restroom.
Really. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I'm wearing my Stormtrooper face mask for you. Sam. Sam!
Yeah.
Did you go to the bathroom just now again?
Yeah.
Stay after class because I marked you absent.
Okay.
All right. Let's go with Bryson. What's the length of this side?
Would be 8 times square root of 3.
Very good. And what's this side going to be? Let's go with Elise. What's this side going to be? Elise! 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 Elise, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. My
You're,
computer.
you're always so quiet. Let me make sure my volume's all the way up. I'm up. Okay, what's the length of this side going to be, Elise? I'm going to put my ear right next to my computer so I can hear you.
I'm not sure.
Okay, let's go with Montse. What's the length of this side going to be? If this is 8, what's this side going to be?
8.
What's that?
8.
No, this side's 8. What's this side going to be?
Is it 2 times 8?
Yes, which is?
16.
All right, cool. Who got all that? You guys get all that in the class? Okay, cool. Now, let's do one more. Let's say this side is, I don't know, 3. What's the length of this side going to be? What's the length of this side going to be? Okay, here we go. X squared root 3. Let's go with Carlos. What's this side going to be?
3 times square root of
3 root 3. And Jackson, what's this side going to be? 6. Boom. Okay, boom. Now, here's the thing. Just because to get this, right, to get from here to here, I multiply by the square root of 3. But if I go this way, if I have this side, if this way I go multiply the square root of 3, how do I get the x? Divide by the square root of 3. Right? So you don't have to have a square root of 3 here. It could just be a whole number. I'll show you what I mean by that. Now to go from here to here, I'm going to multiply by 2. But to go from here to here, if I'm given this side, I divide by 2. Okay? So here's a $1 million question. What if I'm given this side and this side is 20? What is the length of this side going to be? So here's my equation, 2x equals 20. How do I solve for x? Right, the 2x side equals 20. How do I solve for x? I guess I should call someone in the class. Kevin, what's my x going to be?
10.
10. Divide by 2, I get 10. You guys all make sense? Everyone here? So then what's this side going to be? What's the length of this side going to be? Dennis White, what's the length of this side going to be?
10 root 3.
10 root 3. Boom. Notice my 2x equals 20. Basically, I divide by 2 to get my x. Okay? Divide by 2. But wait, there's more. Let's say I'm given this side, and let's say this side is equal to the length of 12. Can I do that? What do you think, Brett? Huh?
Yeah.
I can. Why not? It's just a length. So, what is my x going to be? If my x times square root of 3 equals 12, how do I solve for x? Right? Divide by what, Miss Howells? The root. Divide by the root. So what's my answer going to be? Miss Howells has her cheater sweater on. Well, you have all your answers on your sweater.
No, I don't.
You want to, she has all these, she has like a math sweater on, has all the answers. Look at this. Like if you guys wore that on the test, I'd make you take it off.
No, you wouldn't.
Yes, I would. Even if it was cold. They'll kick that thing out of here.
Well, it's like physics and stuff.
Has calculus.
Ooh, mic drop. See, calculus just walked out of the room. All right. What is x going to equal? Let's go with Julissa. What's x going to equal?
Is it 12 root 3?
Well, how did you solve for this? What did you do?
You just divide by root 3.
Okay, so you said 12 root 3, but the way I would say it is 12 divided by root 3. Right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But I cannot have a square root in the denominator. Do you guys remember me telling you that? You can't have it, so you have to radicalize the fraction by multiplying by, what do I multiply the square root 3 by? Abraham, what do I multiply it by? Get rid of this. You guys know?
The square root?
Square root of 3. Square root of 3, right? You multiply the square root of 3, but I also have to multiply the denominator by square root of 3. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is just 3. 12 times square root of 3 is 12 times square root of 3. That's better. However, I can now say 12 divided by the square root of 3. What is 12 divided by the square root of 3, Miss Howells?
Wait, 12 divided by the square root
I'm
of 3?
sorry, 12 divided by 3.
That's 4.
That's 4. 4?
My sweater didn't tell me that. I knew it.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't understand it.
She left. Her mom's here.
Oh,
Her mom called her and said, get your butt out of here.
really? That's how you've been texting parents and they didn't know that school's been open?
I know, isn't that crazy?
Well, just one. But all the others have been saying, I'm going to send them in. We'll see, maybe I'll have more kids in the class.
Maybe. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a personal best.
That is, I've never had more than 4.
I've never had more than 3.
Really?
Yeah.
This is 4 root 3 is my x. And then what's my 2x side going to be?
Multiply by 2. What's the x?
4 root 3.
So then do 2 times that.
What is it? What is 2 times 4 root 3? Let's go with Bryson.
Would it be 8 times 3?
Yep. So this will be 2 times 4 root 3, which should be 8 root 3. Boom. And that's all you got to do. Then drop. Walk away.
You stepped out of the camera. But you're still on the camera right now.
Yeah.
Can you see me? Am I still on?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Did it work?
Yeah, that was better.
All right. So that's how you do that. Let's do the 45, 45, 90 triangle now. Are there any questions on that? Raise your, put your hand in front of the camera if you understand, and raise your hand. I understand, Sensei. Let's move on. This is boring. Okay, I'm looking at people specifically. Okay. Thomas, what's your question? No, Thomas is up. Okay, we're all good. Billy, do you have, I don't know, maybe you had your hand up. Billy, you good?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay, Nathaniel, are you good or do you have any questions?
I'm good.
All right, very good. You're very handsome. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Shoot, did I record that? Was that recorded that I said Nathaniel? Nathaniel, you didn't hear that, did you? Nathaniel,
Yeah.
did you hear me?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, no. Okay. So now let's do the 45, 45, 90 triangle. 45, 45, 90, 45, 45, 90. You guys heard of the 45? We've done this before, right? 45, 45, 90. If this side is x, this side is x, this side is x times the square root of 2. Same thing here. This side is x, this side is x, this side is x times square root of 2. This will be a little bit easier. See, Brett's pulling off the fall asleep during class thing. Put your hand over there.
Oh,
Were you sleeping?
no, I was just looking at my computer.
Are you looking at me? I don't believe it. You don't have any pins though.
No, that's because I went to the settings, so I could see everyone at one time.
You're just looking at, you're not watching me, you're watching all the other kids in class. Am I right, Brett? So, if this is 7, what's the length of this side, what's the length of that side? Okay, here we go. I'm not even going to give you time to think about it. Let's go with Ethan. If this is 7, what's the length of this side, Ethan?
7.
7. No problemo. How about this one, Ethan?
7.
No. This side is x, this side is x, This side is x times the square root of 2. So x is 7. Ethan? You want to call someone else?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, let me show Linda. What is the side going to be, Linda Lopez?
7 root 2?
7 root 2, right, Ethan? If this is 7, this is 7, this is x times square root of 2 or 7 times square root of 2, Ethan. So remember, multiply times square root of 2. This side, if I go from here to here, what do? You divide by the square root of 2, right? So what if I was given the hypotenuse as, give me a number, Miley, give me a number. 3, that's a hard one. Let's say that side is 3. I don't want the root 2 on there though. The 3 is good. Remember, this is my x square root of 2 side is equal to 3. So how do I solve for my x side? X. Go ahead and solve for your x. X root 2 equals 3. Solve for x. Go ahead and tell me what x is. You guys solve it. And then we'll do the delta math. Delta math. What the heck, Brett? Stop being careless. You're going to put a hole in the submarine. God darn it. Brett, stop it right now. Hey, listen. We got some repair crews here. We can fix it. Don't worry. We're going to be fine in the submarine. Even though we have a little salt water going in, we can punch it up, patch it up. Okay, I'm asking for the answer right now. Let's go with, actually, I'm going to look at my students here, see what you guys got. Yes, that is correct. Miley? Yeah, very good. Oh, you guys got this. I'm just going to you just have to rationalize it. Okay, 3 root 2 over 2. So everyone in my classroom got it, so I'm assuming that you guys got it. Divide by root 2. X equals 3 over root 2. That's right, divide by, right? We divide by the root 2 to get that side. And then you have to multiply by the root 2. 3 root 2 over 2 to root 2 over 2 is root 4, which is 2, and there's your answer. That's x. Equals 3 root 2 over 2. Equals 3 root 2 over 2. Raise your hand if you got that as your answer. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this on the delta math. Okay, so here we go. You guys see it? So, in delta math, let's do a couple of these and I'll let you guys go. Sam Adams, are you still there?
Yep.
Okay, turn your camera on. All right. So what side is this side? Is it x root 2 side? So this is my x. So you guys go ahead and solve x root 2 equals 2. So then solve for your x, right? And what's your answer going to be? Okay? And then you can enter it. Okay, so I divide by square root of 2. What's my answer? Let's go with Emma. What did you get? What is x equal to?
The square root of 2.
Two is, wait, hang on, this doesn't go here. So it's 2 root 2 multiplied over 2, and yes, those cancel out, so we get square root 2, and that's all you got to do. Very good, Emma. You guys all get that, square root 2? And then let's practice entering it. Make sure you guys know how to enter this in the Delta math to get your credit for it. So you have this little root here, just hit that, boom, there's your square root. And then I'm going to hit my 2. There you go, it should look like that. When you enter it. And then you hit submit answer. Are you sure? You say, are you sure? And you say yes. And then you get the green check mark, you know you're good. If it's a red X, you'll file it, right? You get two chances.
Next section.
Let's do another one. Next section. Look, I got an 8% complete. So I'll do a couple more. And let's go bink. Okay. So guess what? This is my 2x side, right? This is my 2x side. So what's x? 2x equals 2, right? X equals 1. So this is my 1 side. So what's this going to be, right? I shouldn't have done that. I'm doing all this work for you. All right. What is x equal to? Alonzo, what'd you get?
1.
No, that's this side here. This is 1. Remember, this is my, okay, remember this is my x side, even though this has x, this is my x side. This is my x times the square root of 3. Even though this is x, it's not, you know, this, I still got to multiply this by the square root of 3 to get that one.
So 1 square root 3?
1 square root 3 or just square root 3. Very good.
Okay.
Square root 3. So let's enter it. Now, I'll do one more with you guys. You guys get that?
Yeah.
Riley? Okay. Samantha? All right. So it's square root of 3. Square root of 3. Submit answer. Are there any questions before I move on? Submit answer, yes. Green check mark. Yay! I have one more I want you guys to do. See if you guys, this next one's the hardest, most difficult one that we're going to do today on the Delta math. So you guys try to solve this one. I think, wait, is this a hard one? Or is this a... Oh, yeah. Oh, no, this one's not that hard. You guys can do that one. Let's do this one in 30 seconds. This one's an easy one. Well, relatively easy. Let's see what you got. All right. what'd you get? Are you distracted? Jackson, what'd you get?
Root 3 times root 2.
Which would equal to what, though?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about.
Your final answer, Samantha? What? Yeah. Tell them. Samantha will tell you. Just multiply. Let's see. Julissa, what'd you get for your answer? Julissa, we'll mark you absent. We want to move on here. Okay, Julissa, I'm marking you absent. Did you say she'll be gone? Okay, let's see. Abraham, what'd you get?
I'm still not sure.
This is my x side. This is my x times square root of 2. So I take my x, root 3, multiply by square root of 2, and you just multiply it, and you get root 6.
Oh, okay. I was adding them.
Okay, so enter that. That's not the hard one. I thought that was the hard one. I think the next one's a hard one, though. Root. You guys want to do the hard one?
Yeah.
I mean, you might not think it's that hard. It's the hardest one. Some of you might think it's easy. So let's go to the next one. Boom. Here we go. Blink. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Go ahead and solve for that one. Here's your hint. This is the x root 3 side. Probably not that hard, but you know. And by the way, if you get it wrong, the Delta Math shows you examples. It has videos. Yeah. You guys get that? Okay. So there's your answer. The hardest part is I just want to make sure you know how to enter this. Okay, let's make sure we know how to enter this. 7 root 3 over 3. So let's go. You enter like this. 7 root 3. Now I want to watch very carefully. That's pretty straightforward. You want to get this cursor out this way. So you hit your arrow to the right. So it's out. Then you hit divide. Or the question mark with the slash. And then it does that. And then you hit your 3. That's how you want to enter it. All right, are there any questions? Thomas,
Yes.
I have to be honest.
What?
I lied about being on a submarine. We're really not on a submarine.
Why'd you lie?
I know. I don't, because I lied because I have low self-esteem. That's why.
It's okay, I forgive
And
you.
and it's like, I see my insecurities, so I do stuff to mess with you guys so I feel better about myself, which is very, very insecure. That's why.
It's okay, Sensei, I forgive you.
Thank you, Thomas. I'm sorry I lied. Linda, I'm sorry I lied to you. We're not on a submarine, Linda. We really aren't. We're just in the classroom. Linda?
Yes.
I'm sorry I lied. I
It's
wasn't
okay.
being eaten by a shark. I know that probably was traumatic for you. I'm sorry, Linda.
It's okay.
You're so kind. You guys are so kind. But I have to be honest, Brett and Jackson told me to do that to mess with you guys, so I just I feel better that I threw them under the bus. Sorry, guys. You guys are kind too. I threw you guys under the bus. All right, guys. Are there any questions? Any questions? I love you. I will see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Make sure you print that unit circle. Who's the first one to leave? Who's the first one to leave? Angel Rojas. Yes. Alonzo. Bye. Linda. Bye. Bryson. Billy. Bye. Emma. Bye. Kevin. Bye. Thomas. Bye. Dennis. Bye. Montserrat. Sam, I'm marking you here. That's why you're still here. Sam, how come you're not coming to class? You keep your camera off. It's your birthday.
Come to class, you're allowed to have your camera on.
You're in class, gonna leave your camera off. That's right. And we,
I gotta go.
what?
I gotta go.
To the bathroom? All right, good luck. We'd sing you happy birthday.
I gotta go, Sensei.
Go, get out of here.
All right, goodbye.
See ya. All right, Julissa, what's up? Did I mark you absent? I think
Yeah, I think you marked me absent.
No, I marked you here because someone said I didn't, because someone said you were in the chat that you had to step back. But let me double check.
Okay.
Yeah, you're here.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, by the way, did you know I'm sorry. That was really cruel. I didn't mean to mess. I was really not in a submarine. Did that mess with your mind? I shouldn't have done that.
No.
I'm so young. I don't want to mess with you guys. Okay, well, I'm glad.
All right, I'll see you, Sensei.
All right, Julissa, take care.
Bye.
Yeah. Yep, that's it.